What's up guys, ARK ETF keeps on buying more and more shares into Virgin Galactic. In this video, I'm going to give you exactly how many shares they have been buying and why they're so bullish on Virgin Galactic. Before we get started, if you guys get any value out of this video, if you can drop a like on it, it really helps out with the algorithm and to grow the channel. And if you want to see future videos, just comment down below and let me know what you're interested in seeing and I'll cover it. Alright, so we're going to get right into it guys. Part 1, I'm going to reveal to you how many shares ARK Invest has bought in Virgin Galactic over the last 3 months. And then part 2 in this video, I'm going to cover why ARK Invest is so bullish on Virgin Galactic. And we're going to go into the research they've done and break it down for you guys.
Okay, so ARK has 5 actively managed ETFs: ARK K, ARK Q, ARK W, ARK G, and ARK F. ARK Q is the Autonomous Technology Robotics ETF. This is the one that holds Virgin Galactic. So ARK Q is all about investing in autonomous transportation, robotics and automation, 3D printing, energy storage, and space exploration. So the space exploration part is where Virgin Galactic comes into play. This particular ETF is smaller than the other ones. It has net assets of 317 million. Some of the other ones like ARK is over 5 billion now. And take a look, their performance the last 6 months has been very good. At the bottom, on March 18th, they were down to $27 a share. 6 months later now, they are currently at 57, so they've doubled their share price in the last 6 months. And we see down below their top 10 holdings. However, we want to find Virgin Galactic. So to find Virgin Galactic, you need to go to Fund Holdings PDF. In here, this is all the companies this ETF is invested in. So 39 companies they have invested in. And Virgin Galactic is 28th on the list. And so they're 1.4% of the holdings in this ETF. Currently have 484,000 shares. And this is on September 11th. 2020.
Okay, so I've been tracking ARK ETF's investments the last few months. What we can see here is that on July 8th, 2020, ARK Invest had a total of 355,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. So on the second slide here, this is August 21st of this year, and ARK ETF had a total of 429,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. So that's an increase of about 70,000 shares in less than a month. That's some serious purchasing over the last month, guys. So for the third slide, this is September 4th of 2020, so just a week ago now. And ARK ETF has a total of 473,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. So to go back in less than 2 months, they have purchased 120,000 shares in Virgin. So if we go back to the first slide that I showed you guys, we can see that they had a total of 6.4 million invested into Virgin Galactic. Now, just a month and a half later, they have 8.6 million invested in Virgin. So yeah, ARK ETF is clearly very bullish on Virgin Galactic right now. Guys, drop a comment down below on how many more shares you think they're going to be purchasing in Virgin Galactic. Right now, it is still a small percentage of their portfolio. It's about 1.5%. Do you think that's going to increase over time as we get closer to the hypersonic travel? Part 2, guys, we're going to go into ARK ETF's research they've done on Virgin Galactic, why they're so bullish on them, and what they're expecting to happen over the coming years. So first thing, this is by Sam Corris. He's an analyst at ARK ETF. He's done the research on this, and what he has to say is hypersonic flight could evolve into a 270 billion market. So first paragraph here says on July 8th, 2019, so just over a year ago he wrote this, Virgin Galactic and Social Capital, this is Chamath Palihapitiya's fund. I've done a video on Chamath regarding Virgin Galactic. Check out the video if you haven't seen it. They did a merger bringing Virgin Galactic publicly, essentially, it's saying here. It's saying that Virgin Galactic is planning to operate a space tourism business in the short term, but ARK Research suggests that the bigger opportunity over the long term is in point-to-point hypersonic travel. So while private planes can save passengers significant time on short haul flights, they fail to do so for long haul flights. And this is the unmet need that hypersonic flight should be able to fill. So with the hypersonic flights, ARK is bullish that they're going to be able to target the long haul flights. So that's flights that are 7 hours plus. They're not going for the ones that are less than that. So percentage of private flights is, again, this is the private jet market. It's people who have a lot of money. This is going to cost, they're analyzing this, and it costs anywhere around $100,000 per ticket. So in the private flight space, 50% of the flights are between 500 to 1,500 miles. And then you can go lower, around 18% is 1,500 to 3,000 miles. And then around 7% is 3,000 and more miles. So down here it's saying that in 2018, commercial flights transported roughly 4.5 billion passengers globally. 15% of them longer than 7 hours, and those are the candidates for hypersonic travel. And it just goes on to say if only 0.4% were to default to private service, the addressable market would be 2.7 million passengers as shown below. So that's how they come up with the 270 billion market opportunity per year is 2.7 million times the 100,000 number per ticket. And they laid it out down here. And at this time of writing, they're saying the Virgin Galactic is valued at 1.5 billion. Now that's closer to 5 billion today. However, still obviously an extremely good opportunity if they're able to tackle $270 billion market. Okay guys, so my thoughts on Virgin Galactic today is that if it executes its plans with hypersonic travel, its space tourism business, and let's just say in a theoretical situation it goes well, they can easily 100x their stock price from where it is today. However, this is as speculative as it gets. It doesn't get more speculative than investing in a space tourism exploration business. This has never been done before. So if you are invested in Virgin Galactic, don't expect a smooth sailing of just the stock price going up and up and up over the next 10 years. There's going to be for sure some hiccups where the stock price plummets, goes up, plummets, goes up. And the stock's going to be very news driven for the foreseeable future until they actually start generating revenues. So that's going to create a very bumpy ride in the short term. So full disclosure, I do have 330 shares in Virgin Galactic, and I am very bullish on the company, but I do expect there to be a very bumpy ride ahead. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you got any value out of this video, please drop a like on it and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content, and I'll see you in the next one.